It's cruise day.
We made it. Oh, I can't wait. We have made it aboard. Look at that tree. Like, look at that tree. That's a nice tree. Captain Minnie's up there. But look at these decorations. Oh, I am in love with the gold decorations. I am in love with them. They look so nice. So we have made it into our room. I'm so excited. And we've never had Frozen themed. Look at that. We're Frozen themed. There's Olaf and Sven over there. And then there's Anna and Elsa over here. That's cute. I like that. And the thing we have never ever got is this. We don't have a balcony this time. We have a porthole. So we're going to check out to see what the porthole is. But the water, we're like on deck 2. So the water's going to be right there. And it's going to be high winds and stuff like that. So I'm actually kind of looking forward to seeing what it looks like out there with all the high winds and waves and stuff. I'm not looking forward to the actual winds and waves, just how it looks outside this window. But yeah, same room as all the other rooms that we've been in, but Elsa and Anna themed, Frozen. Yay. So let's see the rest of the boat. And now for my favorite place on the boat, Smokestack Willie's. Oh, it's so good. It's so good. So if you've never been on the Wish, I will let you know that this food is the best food on the cruise. Like, we'll eat it pretty much every day for lunch, and sometimes later on in the evening for a snack. It's just that good. It's barbecue. Oh, it's so good. And then an extra tip. You can bring your own cup because all the drinks are free. So we bring our Stanley and fill it on up, and you don't have to get those little tiny paper cups. So there you go. So our cruise on day number 3 has changed. So we're not going to Castaway Cay anymore, unfortunately. Very sad because I wanted to go parasailing. So I think we're just going to be going around the Atlantic over there. But it's going to be a gross cruise. But we're still going to have a lot of fun because I'm still on a cruise. Can't have a bad on a cruise, right? I have a gingerbread house. That's fun. Looks like Cinderella Castle, but with a huge mountain behind it. So of course we had to come into Hyper Space Lounge and get my Tatooine that I had last time because that was the best drink I've ever had in my life. So we're gonna have it again. Cloud City, and I got the Tatooine. Oh, it is so good. This is the most delicious drink I've ever had in my life. Oh, it's so good. And there's the Christmas tree in all its glory, and it's shaking because it's very wobbly right now. I like that Christmas tree. Very gold. So that was a fun little show to light up the Christmas tree. Yay! Yeah, it does not seem very busy on this boat for some reason. Don't know why, but I'm not complaining. But it's very wobbly. Like the sometimes I feel like I'm walking sideways. But yeah, it's very rough out here. So we'll see how that goes. It is a wind tunnel coming through here, but Carnival's looking rough with all their like rust color on the side of it, but it is very windy. I don't even know if you guys can hear me or not, but we just got off the boat. We're gonna head over to Nassau and see what's going on. So this is already way more busy than the last time we were here. Like, there's a lot of people here. So let's go see what all's open. They still don't have anybody performing on here, which is not, like, I didn't expect anybody to be on here, but yeah, I don't know what they do with this area. So we've actually made it over to Junkanoo Beach. We've never been here before, and pretty nice over here. Pretty nice over here. We're gonna keep walking though. We're gonna keep walking. So we came into the legendary straw market here in Nassau. We've never been here. It's really cool. They have like pretty much anything you can think of in the straw market, like these. It's a lot of stuff, like a lot of stuff, a lot of handmade stuff here. It's really cool. I have found the best gift ever. Why? But why? I have never, we are in this candy store here, I have never seen this many Pez dispensers in my life. Like, there's so many of them. Holy cow. Wow. Special edition looking ones. That is a lot of Pez dispensers. Like, a lot of Pez dispensers. Holy cow. This candy store is huge. And I got some jelly beans. Like, there's a lot of jelly beans over there. And a lot of different candies and dispensers. I couldn't help myself. So we made it back in the boat just in time because it started raining outside. And it's not just like rain, you know, like in Florida. It's like sideways rain because it's so windy out there. So we just made it just in time. We went to the DVC little get-together thing they had. Always fun. Now we're going to go eat some food back at my favorite place, because it's my favorite place to eat for lunch, and I'm hungry. We have decided to come in Joyful Sweets because I saw all these delicious food.
Rice Krispie Christmas tree.
That's a rice.
It's tasty good.
So
Of course you're gonna say that. It's just like, no, it tastes terrible. Don't get it.
I just like to get it and use it for my decoration for the room.
I work here now. If you get to taste them all, I work here now. I'll come
Yes.
back. All those treats look delicious, and I'm definitely going to be coming back there later today. Probably get the Christmas tree, maybe some more stuff. I don't know yet, but I'm getting something. I'm pretty sure I'm addicted to this food. This food is delicious. It's delicious. Like, I can literally eat this every day. Every day. And I will eat it every day that we're on the boat.
Happy holidays, everyone!
It's so good to see you!
Are we ready to party?
If it's a holiday party!
We'll have a holiday, 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 holiday party. We're gonna decorate the tree with our friends and family.
Thank you so much for joining us!
So why we're here?
For a festival of fun, friendly holiday cheer.
So many ways to celebrate under all these holidays.
favorite part of the holidays has always been decorating with Max, and baking treats with Max, and waiting up for Santa with Max, and the
Christmas is for family, Christmas is for friends.
So we just got out of the Little Mermaid, and they are, even though it looks like it was raining everywhere around us on the radar and the waves or the boat's doing this, they say we're still having the fireworks. So that's a good thing. So they say they found a dry little patch that they can still set off the fireworks. They said it's going to be a modified, pretty much a modified show out there. I don't know what that means, so we're going to find out what that means, but we're going to get fireworks. So that's a good thing, because sometimes they're not able to shoot off the fireworks because of the weather and stuff like that. So if you ever ride a Disney cruise, be aware that they might not be able to do everything because sometimes the weather just doesn't cooperate. So let's go watch some fireworks. So it's just a little bit windy out here, just a little bit. Like, yeah, it's a lot windy. I don't know how they're gonna set off these fireworks, but we shall see. We shall see. So basically, they're doing a modified dance party until the fireworks go off back there. So, yeah. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A pirate's life for me! Fireworks to pizza. This is why I love cruising. This is why I love cruising. So today would have been Castaway Cay Day, but because of that, we are not going out there. They canceled it before we even left, which is nice of them to let us know, hey, we're most likely not going to be able to go to Castaway Cay. So we did make it to Nassau yesterday, but today is just worse than yesterday, and it's a little bit different than, the port is different here than it is there. So we're not able to make it, but it's okay. We have a sea day. That means a lot of stuff is open on the boat today that wasn't going to be able to be open. So we're going to get some stuff done that we probably wouldn't have been able to get done. And I can eat my lunch place today again. So let's go see see what there is to do on the boat on a sea day. It's time to watch some babies race.
For Jack's Diaper Dash! This is the only place in the entire world that you can see this event, because let's face it, on land, I don't think it's strictly legal. This is our third and final hit before we head to the grand final. We've got some serious competition from all over the world here today. Who will be joining them? 3, 1, 2, 3, race! careful, Priscilla is sneaking up behind.
The last night is always the worst because we have to get off tomorrow. And it's our last dinner. We're going to Frozen tonight, so we're going to see a fun show at Frozen with Anna and Kristoff's engagement. So let's go eat. This is also a little heads up I haven't talked about during dinner. You will be sitting with other people if the table is big enough, so be on the lookout for that. You're not going to be sitting by yourself if you're a couple or anything like that. You will probably most likely be sitting with someone else. So be on the lookout that you're going to be sitting with someone else. So hopefully you're comfortable with that.
You pull. Now, turn. Here we go. Through the air into the ground. I saw this spiral making frozen fractals all around.
We made it back because I'm going to have to get another Tatooine because we're leaving tomorrow and I don't know when I'm going to have another one. Right? Yep. Right. Of course, here's my drink, the Tatooine. I love this drink, and she got Cloud City, which is really good too. So that's a non-alcoholic, and that's alcoholic. No booze, booze. Yay. Well, we've made it on the last day. We're back at port now, back home, unfortunately. So the cruise is over. So, yeah, we had a good time, a lot of fun, met some new people, and had some good food, watched some great shows. You know, we didn't get to go to Castaway Cay, but I guess that means just we'll have to go on another one, right? So, see you guys later. Remember, love yourselves and each other. Bye-bye.